Imagine this. There is a student named Rahul studying his final year engineering, and he was an electronic student. He was interested to get into a core company, but he was confused whether to get into an embedded systems or VLSI. Rahul opened YouTube, watched 10 videos, and he still got more confused. And if you are the Rahul, this video is for you. I will tell you the big picture first. Think technology as a human body. VLSI is designing the brain itself, and embedded system is teaching the brain how to react to the real world. Both are powerful, both are needed, and it suits for different people according to their interest. Initially, let me explain you what is an embedded system and what is VLSI. Coming to the embedded system means writing the software which runs inside the hardware. For example, many of the electronic gadgets which use in our daily life are embedded systems. For example, washing machines, smartwatches, AC remotes, which is designed for a specific task is an embedded system. For example, we'll take an washing machine. Washing machine is designed only for washing clothes, not for any other purposes. In this way, if you design any electronic gadget for a particular task, then we call it as an embedded system. In embedded systems, most work comes around microcontrollers. We'll use microcontroller to get done all these tasks. The main purpose of embedded software engineer is reading input from the sensors and processing with microcontroller, and microcontroller gives the output to actuators, and actuators will work. This is the whole picture of an embedded system. The daily life of an embedded system engineer will be as writing C and C++ code, debugging the real hardware. He can see the physical results as LED glowing and motor is running and any new feature he was added. And the skills needed to become an embedded engineer are C, C++, microcontrollers, RTOS, communication protocols, and many more. If you are searching for the complete roadmap to become an embedded engineer from scratch, go check out this video link in my description so that you'll get clarity how to become an embedded engineer. Coming to VLSI. VLSI means designing the chip itself. Before your phone processor really works, someone should design logic, timing, power, physical layout, and all. And here comes the VLSI engineer. VLSI engineer takes care all of these. A normal day for an VLSI engineer looks like designing digital logics, running simulations, fixing timing issues. You don't see the hardware immediately. First, you need to work on the computer to design all these parts. And the skills needed to become an VLSI engineer are strong digital electronic skills, Verilog, system Verilog, problem solving and math, patience for deep and detailed work. Let me tell you who should choose which domain. Choose embedded systems if you like hands-on work, and if you are the person who enjoys physical results, and if you like the real world debugging, and if you want job opportunities early. Who should choose VLSI? If you are the person who enjoys deep thinking and design and analysis, and if you are okay with low level hardware and slow visible results, if you have patience and you want to work with chip level innovation, then VLSI is good for you. Now let's talk honestly about career growth and salaries. Both fields pays well. If you choose VLSI in early years, VLSI may feel slow, and gradually if you gain skills and placed in a good company, then you are unbeatable. And embedded system gives you faster entry level roles. And after few years of experience, VLSI engineers will get more salaries. Even if you are an embedded engineer, upskilling yourself daily, you can beat the salaries of VLSI engineer by placing in a good company. And don't choose VLSI for higher salaries. It requires lot of fundamentals and patience. And don't choose embedded systems because it was easy. Debugging hardware can test your mental health. And final advice from my side is, don't ask this one question with yourself. Which field has more scope? Ask, which work can I do even on a bad day? Because career is not just built in 1 year. It will take 5 to 10 years efforts of every single day. So choose wisely based on your interest and passion. Both VLSI and embedded systems gives you money, respect and growth. And your career is not a trend. It's a long-term relationship. So choose wisely. And if you didn't yet subscribe to our channel, please subscribe, like and share it to your friend. And thanks for watching till the end. See you in the next video. Bye.